good though. There's a lot on it. I put some stuff from the garden on. Some scallions. I think that's what I grew. Because the hot meal you're going to have in the summer is something that only takes 10 minutes to heat up the kitchen. I don't put things in the oven and cook for like an hour. I don't bake and make chickens and things like whole bird in the summer. Boil for pasta, and if I have to bake, it's going to be pizza. I set it for 4 more minutes. She's bubbling. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, see all the different things that are on there? So I grew the scallions. Someday I'm going to have full onions in the garden, but I don't have any right now. Hey, everybody. This is 5 plants. You can tell the one in the middle is a little taller. I think this net is for a 4x4. This is a 3x3 tent. It's like a little baggy. It's okay, I like it. Or it's meant to work in both, maybe. The AC Infinity black net. Could do some more tucking, possibly. I mean, I don't know where to tuck to. It's like there's almost a top in every square now, almost. Maybe get over to that corner. Oh, I see something in the corner, though. Yeah. It's gonna be... I could probably find something over here. It's gonna be a little hard to find space. I wanted to leave them alone. They tend to do well when they're all locked in. There's not a lot of crazy interruptions. As for the porch outside, open up the gate so that you guys can run around. There we go. I made them a little shelter over here too, in the shade. Hi, I thought I would find you down here. Yup, I can feel the temperature is about 10 degrees cooler in here. There's a nice breeze coming through. To get like maybe a tarp or something. The reptilian bastards. Oh, this one's falling into the shade. Let's move them around a little bit. I bet they're light because I haven't watered them since this morning. Yep. Whoa, very late. That was unexpected. And then you guys could sleep back there in the shady area. Do you want to, oh yeah, that's okay. Do you want a shady area? There. That's so cool that the plants provide like all this good shade on the deck. And even this greenhouse is casting a nice shadow there. As much shadow as I can get to happen up here. The better. This morning I didn't come down here till like almost noon. And they were steamy in here. They were locked in from overnight and hot. It was probably like 120 or 30 in here because when it's zipped up, they don't even have a vent window or anything. Uh-oh, I forgot this one. This one's been sitting here the whole time. I actually took it out. It was like that Blue Dream that didn't look so good yesterday. It looked really bad this morning. Too small, and it had already done some stuff like this, like it was half the size of this one and it had already become like a little mini tree. I like a slower grow like this. This one's a little fast too. I mean, if they're too fast, they stay real small. There's the garden today. Maybe I could figure out a way to keep them small, like just keep trimming them down or something. Or I could pull this one. This one has never been that healthy. Maybe, you know what? While we're doing this, let's pull this one and give these other two right in here some more room. I'll train them in towards this area. Yes. Oh, I shouldn't have pulled it that harshly because I could actually transplant this. It's probably gonna die, but so I'm gonna transplant this one. Here. Uh-oh, I don't know A shovel, a little tool. Give me a tool. If I want this to work, I gotta get some voodoo, some kind of fertilizer, some extra soil. Okay, we'll just, there's a big rock in there too. There's not even root room. I don't think that's good. I put something in the bottom that is taking up most of the bottom of this. I should come out here actually and take care of all of these. And I will go around the front to take care of that in a minute. But I have to finish looking at the garden out here. Okay, this plant. What is this one? Iranian lights. And this absolutely gorgeous parallel pastry. I feel so honored and lucky that I get to grow this parallel pastry. This eggplant looks good. Okay. I think we're doing good. Let's put a stake in by this tomato here. Gotta set it up with a stake early on. At least I like to. Just gonna do some watering. Happy growing, everybody. Chili kraut. I've been eating it with hot dogs. Chili kraut, chili kraut, chili kraut dogs. Ketchup. Oh, brand new ketchup to go with them. Heaven. Now that's a Memorial Day. How's my rolls doing? Toasted? Yes. Quite well. Just make a little space. And this is how much you put on. No more, no less. And you gotta get the tip. Gotta get that tip. Get that tip. That's the amount. And then we stir. Stir. Microwave burned it a little bit. Then you can add more ketchup or kraut. Good stuff. Just a little. A little goes a long way with kraut. Voila. I took that leaf I'm going to hold on to as long as possible.